Hello guys, my name is Norman Ahmed and today we are going to start a new UI course in which we're going to learn how to design a UI of an app from written documents. So let's get started. I have opened my Adobe XD, and so first off I'm going to design the sign up screen for the app. And by the way, the app is about a restaurant which gonna provide people uh, their services, and they're gonna order online like any other restaurant app. So first off, I'm gonna give it this background, this beautiful background, and see it's gonna make it like this, but I have to dim this a little bit, so I'm gonna give it a dark shade, so when I write something above it, it's gonna look clear. So let's give it a black color and change the opacity to maybe 50. By the way, you can change opacity from here or drag this slider, or you can just simple click on your pads. Like I'm gonna click 1, it's gonna 10, and 2 for 20, 3 for 30, and 5 for 50, and it's looking good now. So I'm gonna drag this status bar up here because it's a mobile app, and this nice beautiful logo, which is a dummy logo, not the actual logo of the app, and I'm gonna make it to the center. And I'm gonna take the rectangle tool. You can select the rectangle tool from up here, or you can just simply click R and you're gonna get the shortcut key for rectangle tool. And by the way, I'm gonna make it to 48 and 300 and make it to that to center, and I'm gonna give this a radius of uh, let's see which one it looks. I think 4 looks better, and I'm gonna give this a blur, so when I write something on it, it look clear. So I've already looked the blur and adjusted, and it was looking great with 230 and 2. Yes, like this. So this is gonna be our edit text, first edit text for signups mobile screen, and the first one will be our username. I'm gonna type username here and give it a white color. You can give it a black color as well, but I'm gonna go with white, and I'm gonna change the size to 16 and the text to Roboto. You can give it whatever typeface you like, and I'm gonna give it an icon as well. I have installed this plugin already, icon for design. I'm gonna just write mail, and it's gonna give me a mail, different option for mailing icon. I'm gonna take this outline one. Of course, I'm gonna make it the size of 24. You can change the size from up here, and it is right up there. So I'm gonna drag this and place it right here to in the text field, and I'm giving this a white as well. So this first one is for username. Now I'm gonna copy this with holding the Alt key and Shift key to drag it vertically, and I'm gonna give this a space of 16 between them, and I'm gonna change this to email. Oh sorry, I gave this to email. Sorry, I should have given this to user icon, like this. Where's the user icon? Yes, it's here. I'm gonna choose the outline user. Yes, here it is. Okay, I'm gonna choose the outline one. I'm gonna change this one color to white, and I'm gonna delete the mailing icon. Now it's look good. So username, email, and password. Third one is password, and I'm gonna take the pass, and I'm gonna place a password icon as well with here. So let me just password. No, it won't show any password. It should show lock icon. Yes, I want this lock icon. So I'm gonna drag this lock icon down here and adjust it with the mail icon. Oops. And I'm gonna give it a white color as well. So what should be the fourth text field? Yes, the fourth one should be a date of birth, which we're gonna make an optional. Either he can give his date of birth or not, that's up to the user. Date of birth, we're gonna write optional with it so the user will know it's an optional. Okay, and we're gonna place a calendar icon here. Calendar, sorry, I think I misspelled it. Like here? No. How do we spell calendar? Let's just search it with date. Oh yes, right here. So we're gonna place a calendar icon right here. Okay, so I'm gonna delete the lock icon and give this a white color. So we have our 4 text fields. Now I'm gonna add a button right here which is gonna say sign up, and I'm gonna delete the icon, remove the blur, and give this a color of a light blue type. Yes, this color. Yeah, it's look good. Okay, and give this text to center and make it complete capital, and it's gonna be sign up, space between sign and up, and make this medium. Great. So we have our 4 text field and a sign up button as well. So now if a user is already a member, or already he has an account, so we're gonna write text that already a member, question mark, and we're gonna make a button like this here. It's gonna be 40 and high, and it will take complete mobile screen. I'm gonna give this a color same blue as well, and copy this, pasted right here, and I'm gonna say a login. So when a user is already member, he can click here, he will directly go to the login screen. I'm gonna make this one regular. Yes. Okay. It's look a bit narrow. Let's give this a little more space. Okay. think 20 would do. 20 for everyone, like this. So this is